All right, thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. Hey, there are clouds here in the FM area, and you may want to go outside and, well, speak up to those clouds. Say, stick around for as long as you can, because those clouds help to keep us a little milder. We're still at 18 degrees as cold air is set to return. Our wind has already shifted directions. We're northwesterly at 13 miles per hour. Makes it a little wind chilly with wind chills in the single digits. You can see where the cold air is coming from. Langdon, 1 degree. It's 10 degrees warmer, though, in Devils Lake, and about the same in Jamestown at 12. Holding on to some 20s down in northern South Dakota for Hecla all the way out towards Sisseton. 18 degrees in Detroit Lakes at this hour. Bemidji, you have 17. Here is a look at the satellite, and the clouds are showing up here in the valley, but some clearing off to the west taking place. So from the valley to portions of Minnesota, those clouds are keeping us from cooling off, but that cold air is on its way, folks. And as we take a look at some stormy weather in and around the Great Lakes that extends all the way down to Frisco, Texas, Mike showed us some video from the Frisco area of some showers of rain pushing through there. Those are exiting, but some serious and significant weather is going to roll out of the Rockies. And Friday, tomorrow, from noon into the night, we could have numerous reports of tornadoes. I do believe we'll see a tornado outbreak down in the south, but maybe just a little east of the Frisco area, although you are under the threat in Frisco of seeing some tornadic storms, flooding, rains, hail, and particularly some damaging straight line winds. For us, the clouds will exit. The northwest winds will usher in this purple blob of nonsense. Temperatures down below zero by 10 o'clock for many up there. And we will all join them as we go through the overnight hours with generally between 0 and 15 below for actual air temperatures to start the day. This is not the coldest of the air, but Friday morning is when it starts to nose its way in from the northwest. You can see the brightest pink colors. That's the coldest blob of air. Now, as we start our morning, we're going to have northwest winds. So there's a wind chill advisory for our northern counties where we'll have wind chills close to 30 below for the bus stop in places like Detroit Lakes, Langdon, Walhalla, and Grand Forks. Midday temperatures don't warm up too much. In fact, we're going to stay very close to zero, just below, or down to the south, just above. Notice where there's clouds, temperatures much warmer down toward the Twin Cities, 10 degrees. In the afternoon, we warm up a bit, but then heading into the nighttime hours, it's not the heat that's on. It's the exact opposite of that. We're going to have a lack of heat with temperatures already before 10 o'clock between 5 and 15 below. And it's going to be another brutal slap of Arctic air for your Saturday morning. So tomorrow morning in the FM area, temperatures slipping down to around 5 below. We hover around zero throughout the midday hours. We will see some sun. That wind will be from the northwest and keep things wind chilly with wind chills between 20 and say 30 below throughout the day. Then tomorrow night, you want to be indoors, put an extra blanket on the bed. It's going to get downright nasty into your Saturday morning. Hometown temperatures, Roseau, 2 below on your Friday drive home from work, 1 below in Bemidji, 1 above in Oaks for your afternoon peak temperature. It looks like we'll have some great views of the skies if we could just ride along with this guy. Kendall and sending that from the Gully, Minnesota area. Beautiful photo. Here's a look at your planning forecast for Saturday. There's that cold Arctic air in Fargo, 21 below for us in the Southern Valley. Up north, we could see some 30s below once again. We do manage to warm up Saturday. On Sunday, the better of the 2 weekend days, that's going to come with some growing pains, spits of snow here and there. Next week, Round 3 of Arctic air arrives on Thursday, 20 to 35 below across the valley, and it looks to stick around for several days below zero. Frisco, Texas, there's a look at your forecast. Severe weather on Friday, cold for game day with northwest winds. And that's about all we have to talk about today.
Quite a few negatives popping up in our forecast.
It looks cold, it does.
All right, well, thank you, Hutch.
You bet.
Later on Valley News Live at 6.